Hello guys, and welcome to Accurate Pips YouTube channel. Once again, this is your boy Prof. Dr. Trillion Pounds. And yes, I know I've been away for a very long time, and you guys have been messaging me asking for new strategies and new tutorial on the channel. But as I said to most of you in the Telegram and WhatsApp replies, I have been away because I've been trying to learn new things in this forex business, and right now I am done with my lessons. I am back once again, and I'm going to be bringing your way a lot of tutorials in the forex business. If you really want to learn from beginners to advanced and professional stage of forex, then stay tuned to this particular channel. All you need to do is to subscribe to the channel, that is if you have not, and if you are already subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime Accurate Pips release a new video, you will be notified that we have released a new video. Now, if you are not part of our Telegram page, Money Minded Arena, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Click on it and join our Telegram page, and you can have a one-on-one chat with me as well. Guys, as I was saying, get ready and be prepared to get new in-depth knowledge in the forex business on Accurate Pips channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.